Hey friends, welcome to my vlog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic. Update and upgrade yourself. This is very important. Maybe you are a degree graduate or a postgraduate or a doctorate holder. It is very important to update and upgrade yourself. Then only you can cope up with the change and whatever is happening in your life, in the world around you. One of the most beautiful hadiths that I love is seek knowledge from cradle to death. From the moment you are born till the day you die, keep seeking knowledge, keep learning. And when you are learning, when you are upgrading, when you are updating yourself, you are growing. You will not get stuck anywhere. You keep growing, you keep learning, you keep evolving to something really beautiful. And the moment you stop learning or you feel like, I know everything in the world, that's the moment you start dying in your life. Let me just explain this with a beautiful example. You all have a phone in your hand, no matter what phone you have, maybe a normal, very normal Samsung phone, or the best quality iPhone 11, or any phone you have. If you don't update the software, that it comes once in a month or 2 months or 3 months, there comes update your software. If you don't update it, what happens? The phone becomes slow. The phone will not have the new apps or the new technology that is being shown. So it is very important, like a computer, to upgrade our software, to update our software, to put in new knowledge, to cleanse the old memory. you know See, what we think today is right may be wrong tomorrow. Like before the corona days, we never thought it is possible to work from home so much. We thought we have to go to office. We never thought we can learn from home so much. We thought we have to go to school to learn. Of course, that is all important, but there were so much of possibilities that we never thought about. So it is important to cope up with the change, and if you want to cope up with the change, you have to keep learning, evolving, be ready to learn new things in your life. It can be through books. Books are one of my best friends. You always, see, it's not about what is written in the book, but when I read something out of that book, I get something more beautiful inside me. A beautiful knowledge evolves inside me. So each one of you, keep reading, keep learning. Okay, if you don't like to read, listen to podcasts, listen to YouTube where new knowledge is coming, and take what is needed. See, when I say keep learning or keep reading, it doesn't mean you have to know everything in this world. No, you have a life purpose. What touches your heart? Go learn about it. Do something beautiful in it. Contribute something beautiful to this world. And that can be only done when you keep updating yourself with new knowledge, something new, something beautiful. And you know one thing, the people who are emotional or people who go into depression, people who are in pain, are the people who are not trying to update themselves, are not trying to learn themselves, mostly. Because when you are in a stage of evolving and learning, you will be able to accept things more easily. You will be able to accept the situations, what's happening in your life, more easily. I am also facing difficulty, you are also facing difficulty, but where the difference is, because I am able to accept things more easily, more fast. I also have pain, I also have regrets, but I try to overcome it more faster. So the people, each one of you who are able to overcome your problems faster, are the people who are trying to learn something. See, learning is not something you go to school and college and update knowledge. I remember one of my friend, after MBA, when he joined a company, after 2 weeks he resigned, and I asked him, why did you resign? See, my boss is only having a knowledge 12th standard. I cannot listen to someone like him. And I was just wondering, see, educational qualification does not define your knowledge. Knowledge comes from experience. Learning is not something just going to school or listening to someone or something, but from each situation you are learning something. Your experience are teaching you something, but you need to observe it. You need to be aware about what's going into your life. Every failure that you face is teaching you something beautiful to go forward, but you need to observe it in that angle, forgetting about what people are going to tell about you. What you are going to think about you is the most important thing in your life. So whatever situation you are facing in your life that is teaching you something, listen, try to understand and make something wonderful in your life. Do something beautiful in your life, contribute something amazing to the world. You have the power within you, and you can only bring that power out when you update your software, when you upgrade yourself with new knowledge, new thinking process, new friends, new circles who are evolving and learning and want to grow together in this life. I wish you all a beautiful life. Thank you so much.